Sanibonani bafethu. Today like I want to talk about into engiyifundile from the podcast kaNotha. Like abameme kuyo bafethu ukuthi hey-own. Laba abameme kuyo. Yazi bafethu ne as a artist kumele ama-artist abe nendlela amanuva ngayo egaming. Kumele bekhona indlela abenza ngazo izinto zabo. Because abantu abaningi they just do music for imali, for fame. Yebo. And if uzongena ku music for money or for fame, like angeke ulast long ku industry of music. Yebo lento le. And unothi into akaziphawulile waziphakamisa lapha la podcast bafethu. Yabo uphakamise ukuthi why amanye ama artists they will never be superstars than amanye ama artists. Bawa counter ke ucounte ukuthi uSjavi is one of those superstars, uDJ Tiri is one of those superstars, uZonke is one of those superstars, uKhuzani is one of those superstars. Uyayibona into le. And then like what I've realized ukuthi ngempela bafethu ama artists indlela benza ngazo izinto, indlela abaphusha ngazo, like it does determine ifuture yabo. Nayibona into le. And then into iqwalasele enye futhi ebaluleke kakhulu as ama artist is very important ubheka i-target market yakho, like ama fans wakho ama supporters wakho ukuthi wena usupporta like wena utarget abantu abanjani my artist. For example, if we upcoming artist and then ungene gaming and then target youth yona izokusupport youth social, izokusupport youth, but when it's come to ama event youth kumele icela imali bazalini, so it's very hard for them ukuthi babe khona for event yakho, but they gonna support you on a social because they're active. But when it's come to my event abawenzayo, it's gonna be hard for you ukuthi uthengisa ama tickets, it's gonna be hard for you ukuthi sold out because youth and bayicela imali. Uyayibona into le, hayi ukuthi maybe bazenzela imali just like uSjava like yena umculo wakhe ureach like I position high, reach like audience high, like ama breadwinner, abantu abasebenzayo, so it's very easy abantu mabaphula up efi ku event yakhe because already sebeyazi ukuthi no thina sinesijule kanje nakanje ndiyasebenza or andisebenza, I'm gonna be there, I have money, join budget and all those things. So uyambona lo muntu lona uyazisebenza, uyayibona into le, and nje sisebenza so like is able to pull up avele, uyayibona into le. Tani umntana esikole have to acela imali, asave yonke lanto yabo. So it's very important as an artist ukuthi i-target market yakho uyazi ukuthi utarget abantu abanjani, abantu aba-rich or abantu abaphuwa when it's come to music. Nayibona into le. So it's one of the things like engisifundile ngazibheka ngathi yeah, it's true.